Here the question has asked us to show the limits graphically. This one it says limit of x approaching 1 positive. It means that it's approaching from the right hand side. When we see a question like this, it's basically one it won't write.
What happened?
It won't write.
Oh, sorry. Okay, just start again.
Okay. This question has asked us to show the limits graphically. This one is limit of x approaching 1 positive. It means that the limit is approaching from the right hand side. So that means 1 plus epsilon. And epsilon is a very small number. And if we say 1 plus epsilon, it's right here. It cuts this limit. So it's positive 2. Here is limit of x approaching 1 minus. It means from left hand side. And it's 1 minus epsilon. If we cut it here, we draw a line 1 minus epsilon. It cuts it at negative 2. So the limit is negative 2. And the limit of x approaching 1 does not exist simply because the left hand limit and the right hand limit won't match. Next question is limit of x approaching negative 4. Here we see negative 4. We have a dot here, and it's on negative 4. So limit of x approaching negative 4 is negative 4 because of this dot. But the limit of x approaching negative 4 positive from the right hand side, it's negative 4 plus epsilon. So it's, if you draw a line here, negative 4 plus epsilon, it cuts it at negative 2. So the limit is negative 2. And the limit of negative 4 minus, it's negative 4 minus epsilon. And it's, draw a line here, it's at positive 2. So here are the limits, and a general formula to find the limits for the right hand side and the left hand side easily is simply, if we asked it for right hand side, it's plus epsilon. If asked for left hand side, it's minus epsilon.